I'm going to show you how Mrs. Bates and I want the annotation done for chapters 4 through 6. I think that the assignment was a little bit vague, so we got kind of like a hodgepodge of all kinds of different things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we want it annotated in DocHub. If you have your own copy, then you can just do the same thing, but in your book. So we're going to go to the assignment. We're going to open it up. We are going to open it up in DocHub. I know that some of you are still not very familiar with DocHub, but we're going to make it work because we're going to use it all year. They changed a few things over the summer, so I wanted to make sure that you were aware of that. Okay, so while we're waiting, what's going on? How you doing? Hope everything's going well with you. Maybe you should have read, those surprise tests. Yeah, they just come out of nowhere. Okay, here we go. So what we're going to do is we've already opened it up in DocHub. You do not want to use the pen because it's messy. See how messy that is? How hard is it to draw a straight line? Okay, for me it's really hard. So what you are to do to highlight, you choose the tool, which is this one. Okay, and I think it only comes in yellow. Okay, so let's say that, okay, all of this right here talks about, and yes, you can highlight a spot this big. It talks about what all kinds of things, actually it's down a little bit further. You can move these around too. That's, I love that. Let's, yeah. Yes, I'm a spaz with a mouse. We all know that. Okay, so we're going to move this down here. It's listing all of these things that Crooks has. Excuse me. And so what we're going to do is we're highlighting this, and you're going to hit text, not the comment box, but the text. We're going to put this over to the side. So we're going to say, why would all these things be listed? Now, okay, what does that have to do with the elements of fiction? Well, this is about character. You also need to make sure anything you type needs to be in red, okay? So we're going to put character here and a dash. Why would all these things be listed? Now, you can answer your own question, or you can leave it like that. And then that may be a discussion point that we have in class when everyone's finished with the book. If there are words you do not know, okay, you are going to highlight them or mark them. Where am I at? Highlight. Highlight. Let's say that you do not know what a Skinner is. Okay. What I have up here, one of my extensions is the Google Dictionary. Okay. So what you can do, because we're going to put the definition out here. If you're looking it up, put the definition. If you don't know the word, put the definition. You're going to have to keep these in your comp book, so you might as well do it now. This one, and you can just copy that. Look how easy that is. Bam! Okay. Make these all nice and neat so that they are just in the margins. Made the margins extra wide so you could do this. You're going to do this throughout all chapters. So I'm going to say, since there are about 40 pages left somewhat, you need to have at least 30 of these. My guess is that you'll have more, but you need at least 30 of these. Make your commentary meaningful, okay? Do not give me a summary of what's going on. I've read the book. Mrs. Bates has read the book, so we all know what's going on. Don't do that. Don't state the obvious, okay? You can ask questions. Don't ask questions every time. You need to have some kind of idea of what's going on. And do not simply label plot, character, whatever. Put some kind of explanation there beside it. Okay? If you have any questions, ask. So if you don't know the answer, that's not an excuse for not having something done. Not having this annotated is not an excuse either. I don't have internet, or my computer was down. Too bad. You've had plenty of time. You can come in before after school and use a laptop, Chromebook here. So get it done and turn it in. We will be testing over the entire book at the end of 4 through 6, so be ready for that too. Later.